Okay, so I think you can hear me. Yeah, so am I audible? Yeah, I hope you can clearly hear me. So, okay, so let's start. So here again, as usual, like what I have is like the AI money flow on the left, and we have Nifty on the right. So yeah, and also like this is the HFT algo scanner. So you would say Y2. So this is the today's expiry, and this is analyzing the monthly one. Okay. So let's and already I mentioned the rules and everything. So more focus should be on the current one. Okay. And yeah, so if you want to further know about the indicator, so I did one live stream last Friday, so that you can go and watch. So there I clearly explained live, and you saw how the HFT indicator can catch reversal. So talking about that, and also like you can come to this video, so this one and especially this one, so these two you can watch. And now after that, like let's come to the main point, that is today. So today there was a huge gap down, but nothing, no effect. Okay, so why? Because I clearly like posted this in the morning, this video I posted it in the morning, like showing you that the FNO data, so FNO participant wise data was also indicating that the Probdix and the FIIs, the big institutions, they did mostly put riding. Okay. And the market opened, and so now let's discuss what so if you remember yesterday, so these are the put writers. I clearly mentioned it here, so in this post, so this one. Okay, so this one I posted it here yesterday 3:43. So the call writers mostly put writing was there. Okay, for the day. And if participant wise market data also showed the same thing. Now coming down to today. So what happened today? So today at the beginning you see the big red. Now people who are new would say that Nifty did not go down, so it's not going down. This is put buying. Okay, so those who did put writing, so I think some algos or something, their stop loss got hit. And in the rules also I clearly mentioned that don't follow the buying. Okay, so buying can be used for hedging. Yeah, hi everyone. Okay, so buying can be done for hedging, and or maybe like the put writing they are closing. So don't neglect it. Okay, so the main signal comes here where again put writing happened. So you see 60 CR of, you can see the number here, the light green. So 60 CR of put writing happened here. And again, as I already mentioned, we don't go with these every buy sell signal. So the thing is that we wait for it. And so we go with the buy signals. Okay. And so now talking about here, the put writing happened, and here also put writing happened. Talking about money flow also, 925, like it was showing strength and so on. So even like if you see here, that is even like 10:05 it was showing strength. So 10:05 where it was like if you see here, Nifty was here. Okay, 10:02, so 10:0345. So yeah, so by that also, like 10:05 it was showing strength, and after that it went above 22,300 as well. So 50 points up move. So but here also, like the HFT indicator showed that right at the beginning put writing was happening. So this is 60 CR, and this is 49.9, so 50 CR. So together you have like 110 CR of put writing, and even here also put writing happened right at the bottom, as you can see. And this was the buying zone. Okay, so as you can see, the buying signal came. So like as I already mentioned in the rules, that is now one can opt for going long. So again, there is no recommendation or anything. So it's all based on algo, so no tips or anything. Okay. So that's the overall analysis, and we don't see huge call writing today, because I think like last day whatever happened, so that's basically continuing. And somewhat call writing happened here as well as here, and somewhat here as well. But in the monthly option chain there, yeah, so call writing happened in the morning. But again, like if you see the amount of call writing that happened, so that is nothing but this is 48 lakhs of call writing. Okay, so though the bar looks like the bars are basically like according to how the nearing bars looks. Okay, So on the monthly option chain, so it might look big, but you cannot compare with the length of these bars with the current bars with the monthly option chain. So these bars are according to their lengths. Okay, so they are comparing their lengths and outputting. Okay, and these bars are comparing. So suppose for example here one bar of 100 cr comes, so these will comparatively to that, these will look small. Okay, so it's like the bar lengths are like a comparison view. Okay, and also in, like here some put writing happened. So this was like 30 lakhs of put writing in the monthly option chain. So that's why I tell you, like where big money is being put, so follow that. It's as simple as that. So here we have big money. Okay, so if you consider even these two as well, so these two consisting of like this is 20, so all 29.3 and CR and 42 CR. Okay, so like almost like 40 plus 30 70, and this is 110, so 180 CR of put writing. This put buying, again, rules say, I have mentioned in the rules, just ignore. So someone might be closing because like they thought that like suppose they got this clear move and now they want to close, so because they thought that they could be having huge loss. So yesterday they might have done put writing and morning they closed. Okay, at this right at this top. So that's why like I don't follow them, so I just follow the writing position. So these are the writing positions that happened. So 180 CR of put writing and it went up to 300 as well. Okay, so that's the overall analysis. It happened today, and that's how our money flow worked today. And currently like the scores are like in the neutral zone, so showing sideways. So yeah, so that's the overall live analysis. And yeah, I hope like I mean, so what you should do is like you have to follow the rules. Okay, so as simple as that, and trading is as simple as that. Okay, I mean with the indicators that I have made. So just don't let your emotions come into that, and like just close whenever you get like the stop loss hit or something. So just properly close the position, so and ride along with it while like it's working, and that's how you go about it. And also like if you're a pro trader, so you know how to tackle things like as long as Nifty is taking this support. So like we have this support, we have shown even in our earlier analysis, that is 23 to 26. So as long as it's taking support, so you go for ratios, you can have many several strategies as well. So okay, so okay, Bank Nifty. So let's go to Bank Nifty then. So today is like Nifty expiry, so mostly like we should follow Nifty. So let's see what is happening in Bank Nifty as well. Okay, so we should fix the strike price. So the strike is 51,400 almost. So let's fix it. Okay, so it's at 51,500. So 51,400. And yeah, so the rest is fine. So let's look. Okay, so yeah, again in Bank Nifty also you see like in the morning some put writing, and here also like some call writing also happened. So in the monthly option chain, even in Nifty also you saw call writing happen. So this is nothing like again. So look at the amount. Okay, so you should also look at the amount. So this is 66 lakhs, and this is 62 lakhs. Okay, so one CR. Okay, so not a huge big deal or something, but yeah, so there also like yesterday also like we had put writing in Bank Nifty there as well. So we are on 1 minute chart. Yeah, so here also some put writing happened, call writing also happened. So again, when these two type of positions are held, like also call writing of let's say as you see like in Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty mostly huge positions are taken in Nifty, but in Bank Nifty also like suppose here you see that 62 CR and sorry 66 lakhs and 62 CR. 62 CR, and 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 62 CR So 66 lakhs is not the amount that the big guys are putting. You should understand this very well. Like 66 lakhs is the amount of premium they are like their positions are consisting of. It's not like they have put 66. They haven't put. They haven't used 66 lakhs. Okay, or 62 lakhs. So they that's the premium they have. They their positions are carrying. So those put writing positions are carrying. Okay, so that's the thing. So that is like 66 lakhs and 62 lakhs, so 120, 1.2 cr. And also if you see the writing, so it's also 1.1 cr. Okay, so almost the same amount of call writing and put writing. So then I basically take, I have also said this, like again ignore the put buying. So I mostly say that this is like a straddle, okay? And also like later on you see here more put writing were there, and here again some call writing were there, and it started like showing some resistance there as well. So that's how like it's in Bank Nifty. But again, as I say, like mostly like people are trading where mostly people are trading, so that will look like I mean that I mean go there, like because the big institutions will also be available there, because they also need liquidity, like they will be punching huge orders and they will be exiting also, so they need liquidity. Okay, so they will obviously go where मतलब जहाँ भीड़ ज्यादा है तो उन लोग उधर ही जाएंगे ना, so that you should understand. Okay, so yeah, I hope I have cleared all your queries, all your answers. Can you tell how we can use the indicator for monthly straddle or strangle in 15 minutes or higher time frame? Uh, no, see, I have made the HFT indicator just like uh, to follow the big institutions. Okay, so like this, like yesterday, like big institutions made put writing. So you know what they are doing. Like also call writing was done, but majorly put writing. So you get an idea. So accordingly you can go. But yes, really such a gap down happens when they have done so much of put writing. But yeah, market is unexpected, but yes, if you follow the big guys, more than 95% of the times I've seen, like no doubt they're winning. Okay, so that's what I have done. But for if you ask for straddle, so where so go for the straddle like during intraday. I'm saying like again no recommendation. Okay, so I mostly go when the scores are neutral, like this one. Okay, so now is the best time to go for straddle. In the money flow you see like scores are neutral here. So from let's say 10:55, so let's open the straddle chart and let's see from 10:55 a.m. or let's say the score went to neutral zone from 10:53 a.m. So from 10:53 a.m. So what is the scenario of the straddle? Okay, so let's see. So let's look at the straddle chart. So this is 200. So let's on an average let's make it 250. So 250. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, it's loading. Let it load. Uh, yeah, so now you see from when did we say like 10:53? Okay, so let's see. So this is 10:47. This is yeah, this is 10:57. This is 10:52. This is 10:53. Okay, so the straddle was 5. Yeah, so this is monthly. So let's go for the current one. So today is 03 0425. Okay, so now here also like you just saw like I was live. Okay, so here put writing happened right at the bottom here, and things started reversing. Okay, so these are the magic like things that I mostly showed you in the live stream on Friday as well. So like even for scalpers also it's a very good one, like to scalp. Okay, but those who wants to follow the rules, so they can go for the strict base rules. Yeah, so as we were talking about the straddle, so here, so as I say like so, so as you can see now, so 10:43, so 10:50, yeah, so 10:53 was here. uh, Yeah, so here almost. So the straddle was at 51, and now the straddle is at 40. Okay, so almost or 41. So, anyways, so it's down by 10 points. So yeah, okay. So that's what, like, when it's showing neutral, so we can also sell straddles. And also, like, even in the group as well, like I mentioned in the morning, that is the put writers are going to save the day. So yesterday's put writers are going to save themselves right at 9:15 a.m. Okay, so like when I saw the move, so 9:15, right at 9:15. So yes, now coming down to uh, the other questions of what is the time frame to use in stocks, for example, like SBIN for intraday 3 minutes or 1 minute, and what is the number of strikes to use? 8 to get the right combination. Okay, yeah, for stocks also, like as I have already mentioned, like open the stocks. Okay, even like you can put like you can study the let's say you can study the past bar lengths, and let's say that whenever you see that, like for example in Reliance, if you see that when call writing is above 50 lakhs, so let's open Reliance and see. Okay, so okay, so this is Reliance, and okay, so Reliance is currently at 1247. So let's see, let's fix the ATM. So 12, let's make it to be 50. Okay, so let's see. So here you can see Reliance, whenever such big, like I'm on 3 minutes, you can go also on 1 minute or whatever. So if you see like such big activity, okay, so let's also go to the 1 minute chart. Yeah. Okay, so here you see the big activity on 1 minute. So like what is the amount of call writing that was done there? So this is like so this is again, I'm saying that this is 17 lakhs. Okay, so 17 lakhs of premium. So whatever positions they have taken, so the premium involved is so that what it means, 17 lakhs. Okay, so in stocks, like mostly you will see in lakhs. If it goes in CR, so it's very good, but yeah, mostly you'll see it in lakhs. Okay, so this is where you see and this is the start of the month. So as the month progresses, you will see the amount going higher and higher, like 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Okay, so now you can understand, like visualize correctly, that this was a big activity. Okay, so though right after this it went up, so that's why, like I said, that I have made this smart trend for that only. Like here we saw a huge call writing, so though it's in buying phase, I won't be shorting, or I won't be even going for buy. Okay, so I would wait for the sell signal, and as soon as it comes, so then I'll look for selling. Okay, so this is how you can understand, like even here as well, call writing happened, so still in buying phase, and we'll wait for the selling, and then here. Okay, and also, like let's say like here, or let's see. Okay, so here also you can see the call writing happened. Okay, here put writing happened, but look at the call writing here also, like the call writers are dominating. So again, as I said, that some big institutions, like let's say here some big institutions, they are putting this much amount, like in put writing they are eating like how much, uh, 6 so 22 lakhs. Okay, uh, okay, so just a second. So this is, did I read that correctly? I might have made some mistake. Wait, just let's see. Yeah, yeah, it's 17 lakhs. Okay. Yeah, so now here, how much is the put writing amount? So this is 20, yeah, so this is 22 lakhs. Okay. So this is 22 lakhs, and but look at this. So this is uh 53 lakhs. Okay, and uh, this is 30 lakhs. Okay, so look at the, I mean, you can easily now understand that like the suppose if someone is putting like so whoever is putting betting more, so we should go along with them. Okay, so this was a major big activity, and after that you saw that Reliance has started falling here as well, like it has started falling, and again a big activity is here, as you can see. Okay, so that's the one, and let's come to today as well. So today in the morning, like right at the beginning, someone did call writing, so let's see the amount. So it's 51 lakhs. Okay, so this is 51 lakhs, and uh, yeah, so this is like yeah, and right after that you see somewhat like resistance is coming by, and it did not go up much, and also some put riders are also active. So whenever these type of things happen, so we generally take it as straddle. Okay, so put riders are also active, call riders are also active, so even the stock is also going flat. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, and so I don't know what. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, got it. Yeah, so okay, so I have been, I think, like, so for intraday, this is the thing, and for if you want to like take position, also you have to apply some strategies, and so you have to like know that here some big writing happened, so you can go for call writing with like, let's say, put ratios you can do. So yeah, so many things can be done while you. So the main important point is like what the big institutions are doing, right? So once we get to know what the big institutions are doing, like we are like totally fine to go along with them. Okay, then we have to like know what strategy we have to form. Okay, so that is like theory. So again, as you can see, the money flow of Nifty is still like neutral, and the straddle is still falling. Okay, so and here also like something like some signal, the put riders came. So yeah, how much was the amount? This is 1 point, no, this is 18 CR. Okay, so this is 18 CR of put writing. So let me see. Yeah, 9 digits. So 18 CR of put writing, and yeah, so everything you can see like what is happening. So this is gives you a like a good money flow analysis, that whoever is putting big money, so I'll go along with them, or I might even scalp. So this is nothing like magic. So today you don't see much move, but on last Friday, like just go and check out this, like these type of things. Even it happened yesterday. Now if I say, you would say that you were not live, these can be faked, so whatever. So now questions can arise, like those who don't believe can give several such excuses, but let me show you here. So if you don't believe, this a similar kind of thing happened when I was live on Friday as well. So you can just go and check out this one, the live stream. Okay, so even let me show you yesterday. So look at here, right at the bottom the put riders were active right from the start, and also right at the bottom went up. Okay, and clearly like stating everything here, if you see. So I like mostly put riders were there, so I mentioned everything. Okay, so yeah, so I hope like I mean I have been able to answer all your queries. So uh what are you misleading giving your indicator name HFT? Misleading. See, I can give my name as Orco indicator also. I can just put my name also. Okay, so name what it mean, like what's in the name. So you see if it is working, yes or no. Okay, like you can name it as shitty indicator. Okay, okay, so like you would say, why are you naming it as shitty indicator? So what's in the name, guys? Like forget about the name. So yeah, why I gave the name? So it's basically like H, you can take it for like HFT, you can also take it for high frequency trading, or the hedge fund trading algorithm. So okay, so basically the main idea is to catch the big guys. Okay, the big institutions real time, and that's it. Okay, so that's the goal. Name I can keep anything. Okay, so you have to see whether the indicator is a leading indicator or not, whether it's working or not. If yes, whatever is the name, just accept it. Okay. Why leading, misleading? What is this? Like you're seeing it's working. Like now you are coming into the name. Name is misleading. Yeah, hi bro, new here. So if you are using OI, doesn't it 3 minutes? Yeah, so this is for the OI guys. So what happens is that, like you see that right from the start, it's telling us what the big guys are doing. So this is the beauty of this indicator. So you don't have to wait for the 9:18 update for the OI as well. Like as I showed you yesterday, 9:15 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and so even in the group as well, like I posted it here. So our money flow was also positive 928, put riding mostly in Nifty. So yesterday, April 2. So you can see like yeah, so everything is there with timestamp and everything. So as well as it's working on TradingView. So not in on my platform that I can tweak the code, fake everything. And also I'm showing you live guys. So and also like on Friday also I showed you live. So just go and, so those who are new here, go and check out this. Like this will you will find it more interesting because there like it on that day it figured out like 4 reversals. Okay, so and I think out of 4, like 2 or 3 reversals it figured out live when I was live, and that too right at the bottom, like these like that I'm showing you how it did yesterday. So like these type of reversals right from the bottom, and I was live then on Friday. So go and check that out. Okay. So any further questions or queries? Call writers are having a hard time pushing the price down today, I think. Yeah, so you see, I'm also not seeing like even yesterday also we saw some call writing activity, but today I'm not seeing call writing activity. And also like our money flow also in the morning it was positive, then slightly neutral, and again it went down. It went up to positive before this up move came to 300. Okay, so before this up move came to 300. So from 10:05 it was like in the positive in the strength zone. So I like you would say that which is the strength zone or what. So I have made this document how to read it. So yeah, so okay, so yeah, negative 15 to plus 15 is the neutral zone, and above it is like strength, and below it is weakness. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. And so again here also like it went up, and then after that, like as you can see, it's like continuing sideways. The our AI money flow score is also like uh, neutral, and it's continuing sideways. Straddle is falling, and that's the thing. Okay, so okay, so I hope I have answered every question. Thank you, Darcy, for yeah, thank you very much. So again, if you like the live analysis, if you like what the indicator is doing, so please don't forget to put a like. So likes are anonymous and it doesn't cost you anything. So it will just like give me some energy or whatever you say to come live and show you how it's performing, to show you the live analysis. Okay, so again, rules are rules. Only we see the call writing and the put writing, which is the light red and the light green. Okay. So this is where you saw the put writing. So this is like 18 CR of put writing and it's going up. Okay. And I was live right now when this happened. So though it looks small, so you can like, it's not like with respect to this, it's looking small, guys. So it's not nothing like it's looking small or something. So yeah, yeah. So okay, so anyways, guys, let's reset the chart. Yeah, now it's fine. Now you can see, okay? So here it happened, and so I was live here, okay? So no question. I mean, you shouldn't have any doubt after this. So right at the bottom, it happened, and from the just from right from the next candle, it started moving up. So you should understand that this is not magic. Like this is something like, I mean, this is something fascinating. Like some indicator can give you real-time access to the big institutions, their positions, and these are big guys. You can understand like like these are not small like retail traders that they have taken right at the bottom some positions and market started reversing just from the next candle, right? So these are big institutions and you are getting these information live, real time, at that moment. Okay, so yeah, I hope like that's like very, I mean, new in the market, and there is nothing like that in the market, and that's why like it's a leading indicator, guys. So okay, so yeah, if there are no further questions, so please do put a like, so that if you want me to come live like this. And again, if you want the indicator, the smart trend, the AI money flow, and our HFT algo scanner, so, and also I will publish this straddle chart as well, like with some there also, like when we can give some signals like buy, like the algos will buy and sell there as well. So like I'm trying to automate it there, and then after that I'll release it. So this is also going to come up soon. So again, if any update comes up, you go for the membership. So you won't be charged any extra. So those who are currently members, they know that I released all these indicators, and those who are members, they got full access to it without paying any extra or anything. So yes, so whatever will be coming up, you'll be getting like those as well. But yeah, so but after this release, so I think I have to increase the price, because like according to market standard, I am charging very less, guys. So again, you should understand that there is nothing like this. And also like after this, I'll be I mean, you can sell straddle like automatically. So so that will be, so that's what I'm planning for. So that will be helpful for the office goers or who can't sit and trade. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking about. So yeah, let's see how it goes, and I'll release it soon. I'm working on it. There are a lot of difficulties coming because we have limitations in Pine script, but yeah, again, some put trading happened right here. Okay, so as you can see, so let's look at what's the amount here. So this is nothing, this is not in CR, this is like uh, this is 85 lakhs. Okay, okay guys, so uh, okay then, so yeah, I'll end it here. Okay, bye, see you in the next one. Oh sorry.